Hi. Welcome back to our channel. Today I tell you some MIG welding tips. What do you need to know before starting MIG welding? The first two functions you need to get right is the wire feed speed and voltage setting. 2. Use a two-handed grip when welding. One hand must be controlling the gun. And it is not always possible, depending on how your work is laid out, to use the offhand to provide support to the gun hand or gun. 3. Maintaining optimal distance. The gun's distance from the work is quite essential. The standard distance of the gun from the base metal is considered to be 3/8 of an inch. And you need to make sure the wire is not overextended, known as stick out. 4. Getting the right MIG welding work angle. When MIG welding, look at the metal straight down from the top, then angle the gun slightly so the angle is approximately 15 degrees. 5. Maintain a steady speed. If you are doing it too fast, then you will get much less penetration due to too little heat being produced at the puddle and your weld will not have enough filler metal in for proper tie-in. However, if your speed is too slow, it may produce too much heat at the puddle, causing burn through, or at the very minimum will just produce some ugly shaped beads. If you follow the steps, you can get a good welding. I hope this video useful for you. Like this video, share your friends. If you want more video, please don't forget to subscribe this channel.